If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile and high-performance cooking appliance, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System is a game-changer. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price. Designed for those who love efficient, hands-off cooking, this 10-in-1 digital countertop convection toaster oven brings both power and precision to your daily meals. Equipped with Smart Surround Convection, this oven surrounds your food with heat for all-around crisping, eliminating the need for flipping, rotating, or shaking. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking, the results are evenly cooked and delicious every time. The built-in Pro Cook system with Auto Temp Detect intelligence takes the guesswork out of doneness, letting you cook from rare to well done with just the touch of a button, using the included Pro Cook Thermometer for spot-on accuracy. Its two-level cooking feature is a major time saver. You can cook full meals at once without sacrificing even heat distribution. From roasting a whole 12-pound turkey to baking 20 cookies or 9 slices of toast at once, the XL family-sized capacity has you covered, ideal for hosting, batch cooking, or large families. Speed is another strong suit. The 90-second oven preheat and 30% faster cooking compared to traditional ovens make it perfect for those busy weeknights when dinner needs to happen fast. Powered by 1800 watts, it delivers high-efficiency performance, and with its durable stainless steel build, it promises longevity and a clean, modern aesthetic in any kitchen. Not only is this appliance a powerhouse, but it's also smartly designed with programmable controls, an auto-cook menu, and an adjustable rack, offering complete flexibility to suit any cooking need. From air frying and dehydrating to reheating pizza or perfectly broiling steak, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL transforms how you prepare food. In summary, if you want speed, precision, and versatility all in one elegant appliance, this Ninja oven deserves a spot on your countertop. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.